How will AI change healthcare? Artificial intelligence (AI) is poised to bring about a paradigm shift in the field of healthcare, offering unprecedented opportunities to enhance patient care, streamline processes, and improve overall efficiency. As technology continues to evolve, the integration of AI in healthcare promises to revolutionize the industry, creating a more personalized, efficient, and accessible healthcare ecosystem. Number 6. Early diagnosis and predictive analytics. Early diagnosis and predictive analytics stand as cornerstones in the transformative impact of artificial intelligence (AI) on healthcare. With the ability to swiftly process and analyze vast datasets, machine learning algorithms empower healthcare professionals with tools to identify subtle patterns and indicators within patient records, imaging data, and even genomic information. This analytical prowess is especially crucial for identifying potential health risks and diseases at their nascent stages, often before traditional diagnostic methods would detect them. By leveraging AI in early diagnosis, healthcare practitioners can intervene proactively, initiating treatment plans and interventions at a stage where they are most effective. This not only enhances patient outcomes but also contributes significantly to the efficiency of healthcare systems, as early diagnosis often leads to less complex and costly interventions compared to treating advanced stages of diseases. Predictive analytics powered by AI provides a forward-looking approach that aids healthcare providers in foreseeing potential health issues, allowing for preventive measures and personalized interventions tailored to an individual's health profile. The integration of AI in early diagnosis and predictive analytics represents a pivotal shift towards a more proactive and patient-centered healthcare paradigm. Number 5. Personalized treatment plans. The advent of artificial intelligence (AI) in healthcare has ushered in a new era of personalized treatment plans, revolutionizing the way medical professionals approach patient care. AI leverages sophisticated algorithms that analyze vast amounts of patient data, encompassing genetic information, medical history, lifestyle factors, and treatment outcomes. This in-depth analysis enables healthcare providers to develop highly individualized treatment plans that cater specifically to each patient's unique characteristics and needs. AI's ability to discern patterns and correlations within complex datasets facilitates the identification of optimal treatment strategies. For instance, in oncology, AI can analyze genomic data to pinpoint specific genetic mutations that may influence the choice of targeted therapies. In mental health, AI algorithms can consider a patient's neurobiological profile, response to past treatments, and behavioral patterns to recommend personalized therapeutic interventions. Moreover, AI continuously learns and adapts based on real-time patient feedback and evolving medical research. This dynamic approach ensures that treatment plans can be adjusted promptly to account for changes in a patient's condition or responses to therapies. The shift towards personalized treatment plans not only enhances the efficacy of medical interventions but also minimizes the risk of adverse effects. By tailoring treatments to an individual's biological makeup, lifestyle, and preferences, healthcare providers can optimize therapeutic outcomes while minimizing the potential for side effects or complications. This patient-centric approach not only improves the overall quality of care, but also aligns with the broader goals of precision medicine, marking a departure from the traditional one-size-fits-all model of healthcare. Number 4. Telemedicine and remote monitoring. Telemedicine and remote monitoring, propelled by advancements in artificial intelligence (AI), have emerged as transformative pillars in modern healthcare. Telemedicine, facilitated by AI-driven technologies, allows patients to access medical care remotely, breaking down geographical barriers and enhancing healthcare accessibility. Virtual consultations, enabled by AI-powered chatbots or video conferencing platforms, enable timely communication between patients and healthcare providers, facilitating routine checkups, follow-up appointments, and consultations for non-emergent conditions. Moreover, remote monitoring, a crucial component of telemedicine, is revolutionizing the management of chronic diseases and post-treatment care. Wearable devices equipped with AI algorithms can continuously collect and transmit real-time health data, including vital signs, activity levels, and even electrocardiogram readings to healthcare providers. This constant stream of information enables proactive healthcare interventions as anomalies or concerning trends can be identified early, leading to timely adjustments in treatment plans or preventive measures. Telemedicine, with its AI-driven capabilities, has proven particularly valuable during global health crises, enabling the provision of healthcare services while minimizing the risk of virus transmission. Patients can receive medical guidance, prescriptions, and even mental health support from the safety of their homes. Furthermore, the combination of telemedicine and remote monitoring has the potential to reduce the burden on healthcare facilities, as routine checkups and monitoring can be conducted outside traditional clinical settings. This not only improves the efficiency of healthcare delivery but also optimizes resource allocation. Number 3. Efficient healthcare operations. Artificial intelligence (AI) is revolutionizing healthcare operations, offering unprecedented opportunities to enhance efficiency and streamline administrative processes. The integration of AI-powered solutions in healthcare operations brings forth a range of benefits, from automating routine tasks to optimizing resource management. Chatbots and virtual assistants, driven by AI algorithms, are increasingly being employed to handle administrative functions such as appointment scheduling, answering inquiries, and processing billing information. This not only reduces the burden on healthcare staff, but also enhances the overall patient experience by providing swift and accurate responses. Additionally, predictive analytics powered by AI play a crucial role in optimizing inventory management and resource allocation. By analyzing historical data and patterns, AI can predict patient admission rates, medication usage, and equipment needs, allowing healthcare facilities to maintain optimal inventory levels, minimize waste, and ensure that resources are available when and where they are needed most. Moreover, AI-driven systems contribute to the efficiency of decision-making processes within healthcare organizations. From strategic planning to operational decision-making, AI can analyze complex data sets to provide insights that aid executives and administrators in making informed choices. This data-driven approach not only enhances the overall performance of healthcare systems, but also contributes to cost savings and resource optimization. Number 2. Drug discovery and development. Artificial intelligence (AI) is revolutionizing the traditional drug discovery and development process, offering a potent and accelerated approach to identifying novel therapeutic compounds. The conventional drug discovery pipeline is often lengthy and resource-intensive, with a high rate of attrition. AI technologies, particularly machine learning and deep learning algorithms, are reshaping this landscape by significantly expediting the identification of potential drug candidates and optimizing the overall drug development process. AI excels at analyzing vast datasets, including biological, chemical, and clinical information, to identify patterns and correlations that may elude traditional methods. In drug discovery, AI algorithms can efficiently analyze genomic data, protein structures, and historical drug responses to predict potential drug-target interactions. This enables researchers to identify promising compounds with a higher likelihood of success, reducing the time and resources required for early-stage drug discovery. Furthermore, AI contributes to the optimization of clinical trial designs by identifying suitable patient populations, predicting patient responses, and stratifying participants based on personalized factors. This not only improves the efficiency of clinical trials, but also enhances the likelihood of success by tailoring interventions to specific subpopulations. In the realm of repurposing existing drugs, AI algorithms can analyze large datasets to identify new therapeutic indications for drugs already approved for other conditions. This approach offers a faster and more cost-effective way to bring existing drugs to market for new medical applications. Number 1. Enhance imaging and diagnostics. Artificial intelligence (AI) is ushering in a new era in healthcare diagnostics by significantly enhancing medical imaging and diagnostic capabilities. The integration of AI algorithms into imaging technologies such as X-rays, magnetic resonance imaging (MRI), and computed tomography (CT) scans enables a level of analysis and interpretation that surpasses traditional methods. AI excels at recognizing subtle patterns, anomalies, and intricate details within medical images, often improving the accuracy and speed of diagnostics. In radiology, AI algorithms can assist radiologists by rapidly analyzing large volumes of imaging data, identifying abnormalities, and highlighting potential areas of concern. This not only expedites the diagnostic process, but also contributes to the early detection of diseases, leading to more timely interventions and improved patient outcomes. AI's ability to process complex imaging data extends beyond traditional radiology to specialties such as pathology and ophthalmology. AI-driven tools can analyze pathology slides and retinal scans, aiding pathologists and ophthalmologists in detecting subtle changes indicative of various diseases, including cancer and retinal disorders. Moreover, AI enhances the precision of diagnostics by minimizing human error and variability. In some cases, AI algorithms have demonstrated performance levels comparable to or even surpassing those of human experts, particularly in tasks that involve extensive data analysis and pattern recognition. Conclusion: the integration of AI into healthcare represents a monumental leap forward, promising a future where medical decisions are more informed, treatments are personalized, and healthcare is accessible to a broader population. While challenges such as data privacy, ethical considerations, and regulatory frameworks must be addressed, the transformative potential of AI in healthcare holds the promise of a healthier and more efficient world. As researchers and healthcare professionals continue to harness the power of AI, the ongoing evolution of this technology is likely to reshape the landscape of healthcare for years to come. Would you like it? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channels for more interesting and informative videos.